this channel. I just wanted to bring y'all a quick video to tell y'all how I'm always able to get a window seat with nobody sitting next to me on Spirit with leg space. With leg space. Yes, max chilling. You gotta know the tips and the tricks if you're gonna fly Spirit. So what I always do is I never buy a seat. First off, I'm not buying a seat. You know what I'm saying? Second off, I always board last. It doesn't matter. Like my ticket this time said 14E Zone 4. I board at the very end when pretty much everybody is already like heading towards the plane, so that when I get on I can see and I don't have to be like, oh, let me go back up there. Then you look suspicious. You can just look and say, that row doesn't have anybody, that row doesn't have anybody. And I'm flying on a Wednesday, you know, and I like to fly throughout the week anyways, because that's when it's cheapest to fly. And so, I mean, my plane has like a good amount of people on it, but Spirit planes are huge. It's kind of busy, kind of. Well, I can't really see. So there's so many different rows. Like I just saw a lady who just switched her seat, you know, no problem, without paying. Some of these seats cost, like, if you look on Spirit, this seat costs like $40, $26. Like, it's just like, no, don't pay for that, sweetie. Like, just board last, you know what I'm saying? And then pick your seat. Whew.